Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Kevin with Pimpin' in the Hood 2 from St. Louis, Missouri. I just left out of this thrift store, and I got some items that I want to share with you guys. It's Saturday, October the 26th. Okay, first of all, I want to say, this Pimpin' in the Hood, don't get offended. All it is the hood is where you live. That's where you live is the hood. It ain't got nothing to do with no ghetto or nothing like that. But anyway, this Pimpin' in the Hood too. So if not Pimpin' in the Hood too. What did I just say? Pimpin' in the Hood too? Anyway, this Pickin' in the Hood too. Because we pickin' the hood too. Just like everybody else pick. Anyway, I want to share some items I got. I can't show some of them because they're in my trunk. But I got some Nissan, brand new Nissan shirts, like polo shirts and sweaters with Nissan logo on them. So I looked those up. The comps on them was $19.99 for just a plain tag shirt, with not a name brand. Like Nike was selling for $29. These are not name brands, so they selling for $19.99. So I got probably about 30 of them. So I'm gonna sell them. I'm gonna undercut everybody. I'm selling for $14.99 free shipping. Because I got it at the bins. You know what I'm saying? So I probably paid $1.50 a piece for them, or a little bit less. But the clothes get heavy and they weigh by the pound. So I don't know. I end up spending $40-something. I got some speakers and a set of speakers, and what else I get? I got one more item out of there. But most of them were shirts. Oh, I got a Guitar Hero guitar that was still charged up. I seen the light come on and everything when I pressed the button. But I'm just leaving out the Salvation Army, and I got this. I looked this up. And the comps on it was like $19.99. All it is see it. Okay, it's some cassette tapes. I don't know, manifest abundance in your life, whatever that is. Anyway, it's selling for $19.99 on eBay. So I got that, and I got a big ticket item, y'all. Woo! Wait till you see this. It's an electronic tester. I never paid over $10 for an item. Never. But I just bought this for $49.99. I looked up the comps. See this? HP electronic tester. See that? I paid $49.99 for this. On eBay, it's selling. The cheapest one I saw sale was $249. The most expensive one, the same model, was $1,200. So I don't know why that one was $1,200. But when I get home, I'm gonna do more research. But I paid $49 for it, so if I get $200 for it, I'm cool. I'm gonna put free shipping on it. It's real heavy. It weighs probably about 20 pounds, but I can afford to pay shipping on that and still make some money. I can still make over $100. So if I sell it for $2, so it don't make no difference. I don't give a damn. I hope it sells for like $300-400, or $299 or whatever. I hope it sells for that. But I got that. Then I got an Xbox. Xbox with a travel bag and everything. This was $20. I don't know how they do this, y'all. But anyway, this was $20. Let me see if I can lift it up more. It's $20. See the price on there? $20. Okay, it's got controllers in it. It's got controllers, wire controllers. See the wire controllers? It's got that in there. The plugs, and it's got the game system in there. I didn't really take it out the bag, and I just went on ahead and bought it for $20. I went on ahead and bought it. This probably gonna make my day right here. This electronic tester. So let me show you one of the shirts I got out of there. They polo shirts and they sweaters. So you got some V-neck sweaters. Okay, here go one of them. That's a V-neck sweater. See what say Nissan right here on the edge? That's what the Nissan is. So I'm gonna try to sell this. I didn't see the sweaters on there, but I don't care. This is an extra large. See if I can get one of these polo shirts up. Okay, here we go. No, that ain't it. I can't find one of these polo shirts. There go one. Oh my goodness, that was hard. See that polo shirt? That white polo shirt? These probably sell right here. But that's a nice shirt. All brand new. Let me see what size that is. It's a large. Look at the name of the company right there. They make them. Cutter and Buck. I never heard that company before. Cutter and Buck. Never heard of it. But it's a nice little shirt. Polo shirt. I wish they would have had all these in polos. And this one has got a different cutter tag on it. Still an extra large. But we're gonna see how much these, if I can get them for, if I can sell them for. We're gonna see how much I can sell them for. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to go over it. And I sold like probably about 4 items today on eBay. I sold a bat, a Mako bat, for $70. I mean, not $70, I'm sorry. I took a it was on there for $70. I took a $55 offer on it. So, I mean, it was on there for $65, I'm sorry. And I put a $70 offer, I mean, a $55 offer. I took it. I sold some old vintage Pokemon board game stuff. I sold a fireman flashlight for $30. And what else I said? I sold a couple of items, about 4 items, you know. But my goal is to probably sell 200 a day, you know, because I'm slipping a little bit. I usually make like 150 a day, 100 a day, something like that. But my goal is to make in between 250 and 3 a day. So I'm gonna try to load all this stuff on because right now I got like 200 items on there, and I'm gonna try to load, like I used to have like 400 or 500 items on there. I'm gonna try to load all this stuff on here this weekend. And I might make another video showing what I'm doing, but I'm gonna go home and do some research on these items. And I can't bring this stuff, I can't bring this back. So whatever. This is a Salvation Army. Once you buy it, you can't bring it back. Other places like Goodwill, they give you 3 days. And what's the other place name? St. Vincent's, they give you a couple. Then I was gonna go to Lowe's too. A couple of Lowe's and see what I can get out of that. But right now my car is packed. My car is packed with them t-shirts, and I got this stuff in the front seat so I can show you. I got stuff in the trunk. And I bought some books too, because books are really cheap at Goodwill outlet. You know, they measure by the inch. So I got probably about 15 books for $2 or something. $2.65. That's how much I got for those books. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna sell those. There's some repair manuals, auto repair manuals. I probably won't give them number $9.99 or something for them, but I don't care. I got $2.50 for 10 books, so I don't care how much I get for them. I mean, just every little bit counts. So if it's $4, $5, I don't give a damn. Every little bit count. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. So I'm gonna just put them on there. If they sell, they sell. If they don't, I'm a mechanic. I got the whole library of books. I can put them in my library. I don't give a damn. If I don't have those already, those are Hayes books. I usually get Chilton's, and I got a whole lot of dealer repair manuals. Matter of fact, I got a whole, like, I got this one auto dealership closed down where I live, and I went to an auction in there, and I got all these repair manuals, these automotive, actually the dealer repair manuals, and I ain't even listed them yet, and that's been 4 years ago probably. No, that's longer than that. Probably I had them books for about 10 years, and I ain't even list them yet or nothing, because dealer repair manuals sell for a whole lot. Shop manuals, they sell for a whole lot. So anyway, one day I'm gonna list those. And it's for Chevy S10 trucks, it's parts manuals, everything. So, but I just want to holler at you guys, because I am to talk to y'all in about a week. You know what I'm saying? So when I get home, I'm gonna add some more to this video, because I want it to be at least 19 minutes. I want y'all to look like y'all watching a movie. You know what I'm saying? Look like you watching a movie. I wanted to make them half an hour long. But anyway, thanks y'all for watching, and just remember, we picking the hood too. You know what I'm saying? We picking the hood too. Don't forget about that. Bye, y'all.